Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, the Home Decor Studio. Today we will discuss about wallpaper design for bathroom. Are you looking to add a touch of personality and style to your bathroom? In this video, we will explore the world of bathroom wallpapers and discover how they can transform your space into a stunning oasis. Let's start with a classic choice, the floral wallpaper. Bring the beauty of nature into your bathroom with delicate floral patterns, whether it's a soft and subtle design or a bold and vibrant display. Floral wallpapers add a sense of freshness and elegance to your space. If you are If you prefer a modern and contemporary look, consider a geometric wallpaper with clean lines and captivating patterns. Geometric wallpapers add a touch of sophistication and visual interest to your bathroom. They create a sense of movement and can be used to accentuate specific areas or walls. Create a tropical oasis in your bathroom with the vibrant and exotic wallpaper. Capture the essence of a beachside gateway with palm leaves, tropical flowers or scenic motifs. Tropical wallpapers infuse your space with a sense of relaxation and vacation vibes. Add depth and dimension to your bathroom with a textured wallpaper from fox, brick, or stone finishes to intricate embossed patterns. Textured wallpapers create a tactile experience and make your walls come alive. They add a touch of luxury and create a unique visual impact. Infuse your bathroom with glamour and shine with a metallic wallpaper, whether it's gold, silver, or copper tones. Metallic wallpapers add a touch of luxury and create a reflective surface that enhances the natural light in your space. These bathroom wallpaper designs offer endless possibilities to enhance your space, whether you prefer floral, geometric, tropical, textured, nautical, metallic, or vintage inspired designs. Each choice adds a unique touch to your bathroom decor. Which bathroom wallpaper design caught your attention? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more home decor inspiration. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.